What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to add the Facebook like button to your WordPress posts, pages, or any part of your site using WPBakery WordPress Page Builder plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. So let's get this started. First thing, make sure that your WPBakery WordPress plugin, the page builder, it's updated, okay? After this, go to the place where you would like to apply your Facebook like button. In my case, I'm gonna create a new page, so I'm gonna move to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover my mouse over page, and click into the submenu, add new page. Then I'm gonna need to click into this button right here, WPBakery Page Builder. Then I'm gonna be able to choose back-end or front-end editor. I'm gonna use both into this tutorial so you can see the difference, but I'm gonna start into the back-end editor. Always add a title to your page, okay? So it's important that you add a title to your page. Then you can, this is an empty page. Select the layout and start building. If you use the full layout, it's gonna be a blank page with your theme header and footer, and if you choose a blank layout, it's gonna be a completely blank page without header, without footer, okay? Up to you. I'm gonna use theme style, okay? Then I'm gonna click on add element button. I'm gonna see 3 buttons right here. I'm gonna click on add element. Then I'm gonna need to scroll down just a little bit until you find the Facebook icon. Facebook like button. Click on it. Let's save change to apply this on my page. Then I'm gonna click on preview so we can review the results we're getting. And here is the Facebook like button. Let me apply some padding on it, so I'm gonna click into this edit the raw, design options, and I'm gonna enter some space padding to the top, just to make the button goes a little down, just like this, okay? We are getting closer. What else we can do? Let's click into the edit button. We have 2 options right here, horizontal with count, and vertical with count. Horizontal with count. And we have the vertical with count. Up to you, up to your needs. Of course, you can apply this into a layout style, okay? So you can apply this into some columns, you can drag and drop the element in the way that you want, okay? To move the location of the element. What else you can do? For example, then you can customize this into the front end. So click on front end editor. And we're gonna be able to customize the layout in the way that we want. For example, using the raw, changing the columns layout. For example, just like this. You also can click right here as soon as you hover the Facebook button, and you can change the style. You can even enter CSS animations in the case that you want. Just like this. And here is the Facebook button. Simple, easy, and very effective. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WPBakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Anzu WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs, or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where we can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, Purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of our dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!